Question 4.5. We want to determine the values of k for which the equation h of x plus 2, that simply means the graph of h is shifted 2 units to the left, plus some k value, that's a vertical shift, is equal to 0, and we want this equation to have a root that is less than -6. So effectively, your graph is shifted 2 units to the left, which means the new coordinate of q will be -6 and 1/81. Recall in the previous calculation, the x value at q was -4. So if we shift this graph 2 units to the left, it will change to -6. So your graph looks something like that. It's some sort of a shift to the left. Now what we need to do is we need to ensure that this graph has a root that is less than -6. That means to the left of -6. So if I happen to drop this graph ever so slightly by a significantly small amount, it will cut the x-axis on the left of -6, but you cannot drop it by more than 1/81 units, then the root will become more than -6. So k has to be in a very small window between 0 units and 1/81 units, but a negative shift. So we could write our answer in the form that k can be in between -1/81, not including, and 0. Or in terms of the inequality notation, you could say -1/81 is less than k is less than 0.